Hello everyone, today we have new and easy trick for new welders. And specially make yourself as a professional welder, so watch full video and share with your friends. Today practices on vertical welder. And it's the important position to learn in your welding job. Because different positions have different tricks to weld perfectly and accurately. And also look of your welding, so watch every step carefully and run of electrode and electrode. Position as shown in video. If you weld on right position, then as a result, you get good accuracy. At least 30 minutes practice every day make you perfect. So subscribe my channel Utman Amazing Skill for more videos. Thank you.